principal, Mr. T, the crocodile, the hyena, and the father, all of them involved in it. Because you're telling me now, and I feel you see that thing where crocodile say, so they come from the hospital late. You see that thing where they come, I feel like a Mr. T report at the station is the right time. I feel that is the right time, and I feel like what everybody was saying in the beginning, Mr. T catch on later. Mr. T start spilling everything, all of the bean them start spilling from early until him catch on and say something actually right. He start trip up himself over himself. I feel that Mr. T's story and the story I got cool with everybody. Yeah. Because where was Anne coming from the day when him pick up when she pick up? When Anne said she see Jayden buy polish, where was Anne coming from? Exactly. Mr. T never have his script late. And you don't feel to ask yourself one question, people. This is a question you don't need to ask yourself. Right? This is a question you don't need to ask yourself. Why Mr. T come out and give one story and the other side come out and give one story, but yet still not one of them can come and correct it? Why? We never see if you ask me a question, because if Mr. T tell lie, the family knows so Mr. T tell lie. Come on, say Mr. T is a blasted lion. And not never go so. Come out and say Mr. T did not give any key, he's telling crap. And come out, but no, they cannot come out and say Mr. T is telling lie. And Mr. T is not coming out, because Mr. T, them a defend, who them a defend. Where you going in spirit, my brother? I want to ask yourself this question. It just doesn't matter how you know want pretty it up and style it up, or, my brother, respect our manners. You don't matter how you want pretty it up and put it. Them a tell lie. Them a tell pure lie. And if you tell me say them a tell lie because them just fancy telling lies, so no, them a tell lie because them a hide something. And it's as simple as that. And right now, when me really look into it, me feel like say, even the time where Anne say, oh, them go home, and yes, she probably tell her the story right, you know. But I feel she tell the time, a hand time wrong. I feel like a hand time wrong. I feel like, cause if I listen, me just play Mr. T interview, you know. Mr. T said, him pick up back who him carry, then move on. And Shan just tell me, look why I said the father don't live too far. Then he move on and pick up the father and the brother and heading towards Mandeville. He stopped in a Newport station. Anne was there that time. Anne was in the car when Mr. T sent up a Newport station. Anne was in the car that time. And the wickedest thing, where's the thing? Showing us something, say, listen, them people here, no matter what them are gonna tell me, say, them need to come forward, come tell what happened to the kid. Them need to come forward and tell what happened to the kid. And pack up themselves and go on a court. A matter of fact, we didn't send them on a court, but in a prison.
So he never used to lock the phone. He didn't used to lock the phone. Yes. But when I come in now, we check the phone like, you understand? The phone lock. Yes. Hold it up. Yeah. Ain't nobody in there. Yeah. So, me drive was same time, me pick up back with me carry. They pick up in daddy and the bigger brother. We say we head back and go, baby, you know, get no drive my man, yes. And we head back on that man. Before we reach man, we meet up a Newport station. We tell the police. We say, officer, before you are just in the court, your nephew, in-law, so we have oh, that after about much more. No man, we have to say early in about 6:30, quarter to 7. You know the same Friday? Oh, same Friday? Yeah. Yes. So me say, no man, Jayden not in a school so late. Yes. So me say, baby, a taxi can't get carried, so we hurrying around here. Yes. So I say, no man, so we come back. We go after the police, we say the police. We don't find him. We don't see why we are going back to Mandeville. He say, alright, he say, I want to report, but he say, no. Go man, the police came and they said, you find the computer. Yes. You come back 9 o'clock, I don't remember what time, but come back on the Newport. Yes. Come back and yard, we still not see, we turn back that man till 1:35 in the morning. We still not see the Newport. I'm making them again, no trouble. I said, no, you don't get trouble. Ask anybody about Jayden, you didn't talk. So when we come out with us, we say, no man. You know, Louis, we say, I want whole week in a class, you can't be different school. You can't ask the principal, you can't go to the Sunday time. Yes. You can't fight to the night in a school so late. So we say, maybe a taxi can't get carried, so we hurrying around here. I say, no man, so we going back. We go after the police, we say to the police, we don't find him. We don't see my yard, we don't go head back to man again. He said, alright, so we want to report. He said, no. Go man, you go look him and let it in your kind. Yes. We come back 9 o'clock. I don't remember what time, but we come back. Yes. We come back and we still not see we turn back and man till 1:35 in the morning. We still not see the input. I'm picking them again, you know trouble. Yes, I'm ready. You're trying to miss me. No, you don't get trouble. Ask anybody about Jayden, you didn't talk. So when we come out with us, we say, no man. You know, we say, I want whole week in a class, you can't be different school.
Alright. So, you see what I'm trying to show, you know? So, I feel like him start off the story right. Him start off the story right, you know? Because even with the old crocodile, see? Even with the crocodile, you know why the crocodile are trying to push the time past 7, but if you listen to her, you know, she come back and tell us that it's not far off at 7. She got the police station, you know. But the reason why she had tried to push it, because she said when they asked her in the interview over here, so say, what time is the latest since Jayden been going to this school in Manchester? He has ever been home? What's the latest he has ever been? You know what she said? Minutes to 6. I mean, I tell them, say, only God himself can tell me that Jayden Smith did not went home that day. I feel he went home. I feel this Perth Road business is just a sham. Because even the day when Anne said she see Jayden I go buy a polish. Even that day when she said she see Jayden go buy a polish. And our man pick up Jayden that day. And our man was coming down. And our man pick up Jayden that day. So which part and our man come from 2 times and never buck up Jayden. That car where Annie we pick up Jayden is at the same car where principal are telling about say, alright. So you're gonna say principal don't know them and don't have none. So how because that principal come tell me about designated car where pick up Jayden, you know, from time to time, you know. Our principal said that, you know. You understand? I principal come out and put my brain in that thing there, and the designated car will pick up Jayden from time to time. The driver called Peter. So Peter need to come to the front of the line and come tell me, did Ann call you, Mr. Peter, on Friday the 26th of September and tell us to go and pick up Jayden for you because she's at the hospital with the baby. Because if you pick up Jayden the 2 days before, so Jayden is aware of you, Jayden doesn't know you. And obviously, Jayden probably realized, say, a hand man. But Mr. T don't know say a hand man already, so why would I go do Jayden something because he find out say a hand man? Because a whole heap of thing I hide, well, a lot of we people on the internet don't know. I mean, I tell them to say, whether I don't believe it or not, because Anne have the bread and breakfast key, and work under the supervision of the house where Gabriel work. Gabriel oversee. You understand? So the principal, in my opinion, he know more than what's going on. Upset what I go on, my brother. The principal know a whole lot more than what I go on. And I've been listening to interviews upon interviews upon interviews upon interviews, and I feel like the principal was the one that changed the narrative. And I can tell you that for myself, and the principal made me take a breath of fresh air, and I said, alright, we're probably able to find him. The police come out, come telling them blatant, say, them share information with the principal, and the principal share information with them. Now, why would a police department feel they need to go and share the information with the principal when I've got take information from them and cut and try and lock him up? I mean, I tell you, so people, we have to start again from the very beginning. We have to start from the beginning because these people are guilty as sin. Because, let me tell you something. Me I try to see at another video, yeah? Hold on, let me see if I another one. Because there's one of them. 2 times me about box food, right? 2 times me about box food. I'm gonna ask you this question before. So let me try and make sense out of this. According to the crocodile, they're very nurturer. They nurture people, they nurture children. And according to her, they only one day that they don't cook. Spirit, my brother, they don't cook on a Friday. So I'm Mr. T say Jayden keep coming home with box food. But it's only the other little boy talk about the box food. So that Jayden went downstairs at Little Caesar, and when Jayden was leaving Little Caesar, he leave with a box food in his hand. The only other time in this whole scenario situation I heard about box food is Mr. T. Now, you're telling me that a 12-year-old child is going to buy a box food and carry it home knowing that he's going to his yard to eat his dinner. I must get food and then go home. But you can't have it both ways, you know. It's either him do that because he knows say nah get no food in yard, or him never do that. And that is the reason why I am asking myself the question, that food that Mr. T talk about, could it be the same food that the little boy see Jayden with on that Friday, meaning he went home with the box food? You think that is a possibility? It can be the same food? Because that's the only consistency, you know. And that is the only place we hear about the box food. From the little boy or from Mr. T. Let me see if I can find Mr. T box food story.
Okay, it's the kind of one that you hold on, it's the kind of one that you feed me. Yes, and nurture him, and you want the end here at the house. So, it's unlikely you and then you're proud of because you pass this. One of the youth will have to be father, one of the pastors. So, yes, I know. And when I hear the baby call home, I say, what happened? You're not doing away at the kitchen, man, you're not home, you know. So me my wife run out of your room and come and ask Jayden what happened. Jayden sent you up on the leg. Nobody never said Jayden's name. Say, I can drop on it. Understand?
You hear that? You hear that again? Him say, nobody never say, Leslie, stop. Leslie, Him say nobody never said Jayden say him drop on him. Right? Him say, listen to this part here, and as I said, I don't believe in a coincidence. Right? I don't believe in coincidence, but listen to this.
So me wife run out of the room. I'm going to ask Jayden what happened. Jayden said drop on the leg. So nobody never said Jayden say I can drop on it. You understand? So when she didn't know what she was saying, Jayden is going to say, that big boy had 20-year-old, so me expect him 42-year-old. But Jayden was behind his phone. So Jayden, no man, I come from we take him from there. Oh, so what did you say about this? Money mother. Oh, so mother abandoned. No. What really happened is that if two a female wife, twin brother, and Jayden that day. No, never really about with Jayden, so we said, boy, you're part of the family. You're beginning. Yeah. Can't be last boy at 15. Yeah. We say if you be the sick and you don't want to go out, at least Jayden maybe can help you after the boy gone. Yeah. Give his son. Yeah, which is right. Because most of my people them gone, them who knows culture, might be gonna carry. Yeah. You understand? So we say, alright, we have Jayden, then we beat him Jayden. Don't beat that bracket. We don't want one of my people radiation. We don't want none of the killing radiation. And then they say Jayden, they be feel so proud that they have the honor of killing radiation. Yeah. You understand?
Alright, so you see what I try to say, sometimes you have to listen to the interview them and listen to them well. You hear him say nobody, Jayden never say him jump on the baby. Right? And you notice not everything, I don't know, but I've been saying this from day one. For me, I feel Demar is the culprit. And right for the whole thing, Demar just been shielding. Everybody shield Demar. And I find it very ironic where right through this situation, they never placed Demar and Jayden together in the same environment. Never, apart from when they were asleep. Just check it. Just check it, and then build up a thing for them say Jayden the baby jump off of the sofa the baby jump off of the sofa and jump on Jayden move and the baby jump and broke a femur bone. Try to tell you, guys, when you look and listen to the interview them, you will see things is just not the way it seems. I could go over to the side there. Hold on.
The driver was searching and then they reported the incident to the police.
So what time the uncle reached home?
2 persons saw Jayden. 1 person saw Jayden.
You see that piece of interview, yeah? Right there, so. Listen, Kamisha, swerve the question. And you're going to tell me, say, it's by default or they might ask them too much question. Listen, I'll just swerve that question. Listen to this.
And asked Jayden. When she went home and she realized Jayden was not home, she went back in the town and the driver was searching and then they reported the incident to the police.
So what time the uncle reached home?
2 persons saw Jayden. 1.
Alright. Let me show you something. Listen to that. Hey, what she just said a little while? Hey, what she just said? Listen to this and see if you can't pick nonsense out of nonsense. Listen to that interview here. I'm going to play back that one again. Listen to this.
So I found my desires. So he never used to lock the phone. He didn't used to lock the phone. But when I come in now, we check the phone like understand? The phone lock.
Yes.
Call it up.
Yeah.
You know what in there?
Yeah.
So, we drive out same time we pick up. We pick up back home, we carry. We pick up in daddy and in bigger brother. This is the same man go.
We drive out same time, we pick up back home, me carry, and me pick up in daddy and in bigger brother. And listen here, so.
On searching and then they reported it.
Same night around what time?
I'm not sure what time, but once when she went home and she realized Jayden was not home, she went back in the town and the driver on searching and then they reported the incident to the police.
So what time the uncle reached?
You see, so when she go home and she never see Jayden, she go back. That's when Mr. Tia say him pick up back who him carry. So him carry home and the old crocodile him she him say so say him pick up back who him carry and then him go for the father and then him go for the brother. That me I try to tell you.
Two persons saw Jayden. One person saw Jayden and asked Jayden. You know, if you're not aware of country people, everybody know everybody. Somebody saw Jayden and asked Jayden, like they would say, where you doing so late? And he said he was coming from cadet training. When my aunt called the school, cadet did not keep that day because it was raining. Another
So
person
is it a case where he normally go cadet training and come home late on the evening then when he go cadet training?
he would have reached home later than normal when him go cadet.
Oh, because we know Mandeville, when time rain fall in Mandeville, where's the say I will get in take taxi because I attend the church teachers college, so I'm familiar with the environment. So where's the say I will get in take taxi when it's sometimes flooded. And if you live rural Manchester, sometimes it's difficult for you to get drive.
I was also wondering if you probably take a wrong taxi or what, but taxi
but why would you assume he took a wrong taxi?
No, I'm saying that's what going through my head. Like, why would he go to Perth Road or if he try to walk out of the rain, but he actually walked into the rain.
Guys, does anybody in the chat